If you're looking for ways to fight saturated fat in your family's diet, even in cooking oil, here's the oil that leads the fight. New Puritan. So improved, it has 50% less saturated fat than other leading oils. For me, New Puritan is good news. Look.
When frozen, more of another leading oil is trapped, mainly because it has more saturated fat. New Puritan poured through, mainly because it has 50% less.
When you're fighting saturated fat and cholesterol, try New Puritan, the oil that leads the fight.
The way I see it, people used to know about nature, respected it. Then they figured they'd try to make it better. Take beer. Can you imagine why anyone would want to add anything artificial to something that just comes naturally from ingredients like grain, water, barley, hops? Neither can Coors.
Teach your children well. Their skill will tell how life will go by, and show them their own dreams. The one they'll pick is the one they'll know by. Teach them how to think. Teach them the things that they can live by, and show them how to grow, because they know how much they must try.
Nothing's more important than teaching children well. That's why more schools teach on Apple than any other computer.
So just look at them and sigh, and know they love you.
Should your name be on this envelope? It should if you or someone you love is age 50 to 80. And it will be addressed to you if you call now for this important information. Free information about a life insurance policy designed especially for men and women age 50 to 80. Life insurance with no physical examination and no medical questions. You cannot be turned down regardless of your health or for any reason. And your premium will be $6.95 a month and will never increase. Colonial Penn Life Insurance Company wants to send you the important information in this envelope, and it's free. So if you are age 50 to 80 and thought it would be difficult to buy life insurance, shouldn't you call now? Here's the number.
For free information in the mail, call 800-257-1234. This is a free call, 800-257-1234.
And now, back to Waterloo Bridge, starring Vivian Lee and Robert Taylor.
I have a stay, sir.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye.
Weeknights are Hollywood nights on the Superstation. Monday, can a look-alike king foil an evil prince? The Prisoner of Zinda, 8:05 Eastern on the Superstation, Monday.
Just look at this.
A dog will work on a bone all day to get the delicious marrow.
Come on, boy.
That's why Alpo made new distinctive dinners with the bone marrow and real meat dogs love. But bone marrow isn't all. Distinctive dinners have a pleasant aroma, a firm, meaty texture, and complete nutrition for a long, happy life. I'll trade you, Nicky. New Alpo distinctive dinners with bone marrow. Your dog's never had anything like it before.
Here are the world's most beautiful Christmas recordings to enrich your family's holiday season. You get 50 famous recording stars and 50 of the most loved Christmas songs of all time. And here they are. Imagine every one of these 50 renowned stars are included. You get all 50 timeless songs. Recordings of irresistible charm.
And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh, come on.
ever made.
Hark the herald angels sing, glory.
Here is all the spirit of Christmas for you and those you love.
Silent night. Oh.
50 beloved Christmas favorites. For the first time, they're all yours on 3 records, 3 cassettes, or 3 8-track tapes. And the price, just $19.98. Christmas delivery guaranteed. Be sure to order now.
To save COD fees, have your credit card ready and call toll-free 1-800-228-2229. 1-800-228-2229. Or send $19.98 to 50 Christmas favorites, Box 3330, Grand Central Station, New York, New York, 10163. You must agree no other Christmas treasuries ever made can compare or money back. Offer will not be made later. So write or call 1-800-228-2229 now. All right, listen up. Put down your dinner, cut the seal play, and race on over to your TV set. The Superstation is taking you to the land that inspired Darwin's theory of evolution. No kidding. Tell your friends not to miss this trip to the Galapagos Islands on the World of Audubon special. 10 p.m. Eastern on the Superstation, Monday.
And now, back to Waterloo Bridge, starring Vivian Lee and Robert Taylor.
Already.